Hi, my name is Monet and I'm from UK and right now I live in Dubai and I've been an entrepreneur for more than 7 years. Now over the years, we have built successful businesses around the world, and in 2018, we envisioned that over the next 10 years, 50% of the jobs in the world will disappear just because of AI alone. Now, there is a huge problem ahead of us. That means more than 50% of the world population will no longer have a job. So there has to be another option, and that option is making money online. We envision to create a platform where millions of people around the world can come together and make money online using their smartphone or simply using a laptop. So you can be any part of the world. Your background can be from anywhere. It doesn't matter what your profession is. It doesn't matter what your experience is. Only thing it matters is that you have an open mind and you have a desire to be successful. You have a desire to make a difference in your life, and that's all it takes to begin. Now, over the next 10 minutes, I want you to have an open mind to the information I'm going to share with you, because information can change your situation. And one of my mentors, he said to me, he said, Monet, never say no to an opportunity until you have had the chance to hear the offer. So don't say no to anything I'm going to share with you until you have seen the entire video. Now, we have built a successful ecosystem, and the concept around it is called live and learn. Live is to be able to travel around the world, experience more out of life, and learn is to be able to make money online, to be able to grow your money online, but most importantly, to be able to learn to keep your money and grow as an individual personally. You see, it's about becoming the person of value more than the money, because money you can make again and again if you become the person of value. So I'm going to first speak about the learn concept. So on the learn concept, we will talk about first the largest financial market in the world, and it's called the foreign exchange market. Now, foreign exchange in short is Forex. It's basically the largest financial market in the world that does $6.6 trillion daily revenue. I want you to imagine that for a second. $6.6 trillion that gets traded every single day, Monday to Friday, and it's open 24 hours. And the biggest players in this market are the banks. Why? Because they have the most money. Why do they have the most money? Because they have your money, they have our money. We save our money in the bank account. So what they do with our money is they trade in the financial market. So they grow that money. They grow a dollar into $2, $10 into 100. That's how the banks make their money. And you and I get a small interest rate to keep ourselves interested, to continue to keep our money in the bank account. But the banks make way more than the money they actually show us, and they make in the largest financial market in the world. So how does it exactly work? Well, it's very, very simple. There are hundreds of different currencies in the world. You have the Japanese yen, you have the euros, you have US dollars, you have the Great British pounds, to name a few. Now, each of these currencies are constantly fluctuating in value one against the other. And in that time, when this is happening, if you buy the currencies at the right time and or sell it at the right time, you can make money. But if you buy or sell at the wrong time, you can lose money. And that is literally the very simple concept. Now, not long ago, where you and I couldn't get into this market if we didn't have millions of dollars to trade. But it became accessible a couple of decades ago for the masses. So now anybody can get into the financial market and start trading. Very, very simple. You need a financial broker. There are hundreds of them from around the world you can choose from. You deposit your money into the financial broker account, and now you simply connect your broker into a trading platform called MetaTrader 4 or many other platforms out there, and you start trading. And you can start with low as $100 and start growing that money. There's over 10 million people trade daily in the largest financial market in the world, and we call them the retail traders. And these individuals, they come into this market thinking they can make money easy by simply buying and selling, but they end up losing money more than they actually make. In fact, statistically, almost 90% of the people that come into the financial market, they lose money than make money. And we as a company came up with a solution. And over the last 3 years, we've been successfully able to build our platforms around this industry. And we have right now over 60,000 active customers in our platform who are able to come into this market and learn how to actually make money. So they don't just enter the largest financial market in the world now without knowledge. So what we provide, ladies and gentlemen, is we provide you the knowledge, we provide you the tools that you need to get into the financial market to become profitable in the financial market. What we don't do is we don't provide you financial advice, and neither we take any investment, or neither we advise you where to invest. Only thing we do is we provide you platforms where you can learn how to trade and be profitable. And at the same time, we tool you up so that you can trade independently by yourself and make money in the largest financial market in the world. And we've created a track record for ourselves over the last 3 years on a consistent basis, where we've created a track record that we actually produce results with our students, with our subscribers. So if you go on Apple Store, Play Store, and you check out products, you can check the reviews and see what other people have to say about it. So I'm going to begin with talking about a few of them, but I won't cover every single one of them, but just to give you an idea what we have here in front of you so that you can get into the largest financial market in the world and start trading. Now here's one thing that I know. The money that you have in your bank account, it is not growing, right? In fact, it's depreciating. If you want to grow that money, and if you want your money to work for you, well, this is definitely a great option. And other than that, we also teach about the cryptocurrency market, which is a digital currencies, again, trading one currency against another currency. You can trade against the fiat currency, which is US dollars, against the cryptocurrency or vice versa. We also teach about the indices market and the stock market, where you can now learn to how to invest in the stock market. So ladies and gentlemen, over the next few more minutes, I'm going to share with you the products line that we have in the concept what I've just explained. The very first platform is called MindHub. MindHub comes with hundreds of courses in foreign exchange, in cryptocurrency, in real estate, in social media growth, and so much more. And it's constantly growing every single month. At the end of your course, you get a certificate, and at the same time, while you're completing the courses, there are quizzes, so you have to pass tests before you can watch the next video. So it's very much user-friendly, and you get a great experience learning in that platform. Then you have WOW. WOW stands for World of Wisdom. Essentially, this is a live streaming platform where we have over 35 educators, mentors, come with over 100 years combined experience in the largest financial market in the world and the other subject they teach in. Now, these people, what they teach, they already have success in it. I'll give you an example. If you go to a university and if the teacher teaching you how to build a business, but they never built a business themselves, it doesn't make sense, but we still learn from them, right? Although it doesn't make sense, they never built a business, but they're teaching you how to build one. Now these people here, they come with success track record. That means what they're teaching, they're already super successful at it. And they teach because they're passionate about what this industry has done for them, and they now want to serve others. So there's over 35 of them that teach in our platform, and you now get to learn from them live every single day, Monday to Friday, 24 hours round the clock. Over 1,500 hours of live seminars takes place every single month. And if you ever miss a session, don't worry. Everything gets recorded in a playlist, so you can always watch it at your own convenience. And over a course of time, you're gonna find your favorite and your best mentors. And when you begin, there's a complete guide. So don't worry, you won't be lost anywhere. We'll take you through the entire process. The next application I'll speak about is Sense. Sense is a community platform where you connect into the application through WOW, right? And then now you can connect with your mentors and other students and learn from the community and ask questions to them and ask questions to your mentors. So whenever they're not live on the WOW platform, they're available on the Sense platform for you to get your support. Now moving into one of my favorite applications is called Shift. Now this application has created a huge amount of success stories over the years it's been around, and it's very, very consistent at what it does. What Shift is basically is our professionals, they scan the market and they send their analysis into the application. We made it so simple where now you can simply copy information and go into the financial market and trade in the financial market. So all the information provided for you. When a currency is potentially going up or down in value, and you can choose to take those analysis and now go and trade in the financial market, or you can choose not to take them. But this application has absolutely been a phenomenal application over the years. Oracle is when you now know how to trade, you have the basic knowledge of trading, and you can use Oracle as a support to better understand the financial market and have better accuracy in trading in the financial market. And Oracle comes with multiple scanners, multiple tools in US 30, NFX, and so much more. Then you have the next platform, which is called Wall Street Titan. It is dedicated for the indices market, so US 30, NAS 100, and so on. And then you have the application called NFX, which is Nitro FX. So essentially, here you trade against time. Once again, you don't trade in our platforms. The only thing we do is we provide you education, guidance, and tool you up so that you can go into the trading market and trade in the financial market. Now, there are so many applications for me to cover, but this is just one area of learning and to be able to trade and make money online, the largest financial market in the world. But then we have AVE, which is a 360-degree digital agency that covers from PR, that covers from your social, your online presence, your social media growth, and so much more. And then we have a platform called Quest, which is an exclusive travel membership platform where you get up to 75% discount versus any public site that exists. That means Booking.com, Expedia, all of these public sites, whatever price they provide, we can provide you up to 75% discount versus any of these sites that exist out there. And the reason why is because it's a wholesale platform where you get access to wholesale pricing versus you get access to discount pricing on the other public sites. Now, to get started is super simple. We have the Learn subscription and we have the Live subscription. On the Learn subscription, we have a $200 subscription, $149 a month, or $500 subscription, or the $800 subscription. 80% of our customers, they choose the Gold subscription. They pay $800 for the first month and $149 a month. Why? Because it comes with the most value. Then on the right side, we have the Live subscription. And here we have the Gold for $800, but monthly $99. Then you have Silver and Bronze, monthly is the same. But if you choose to go for both, which we call the Elite subscription, you don't pay $149 a month or $99 a month. You only pay $149 a month for both of them. And if you want to get a discount, make sure to choose the Elite subscription from the time you enroll. And if you're like me, I like to get a free subscription if I can, or at least get my free renewals. So here's how it works. If you want to get your monthly renew completely free, so you only pay one time for the entry, but monthly renew, you never have to pay again. And here's how it works. If you enroll 2 customers this month, and if they remain active in our platform, then you never have to pay your monthly subscription ever again. So that means as long as you have 2 customers paying for their monthly subscription, you never have to pay for your monthly subscription. Listen, go back to the person who showed you this, because I know in that time that I explained, everything probably doesn't make sense to you just yet. So if you have any questions, go back to the person who showed you. Remember, you're in this for yourself, but you're never by yourself. We provide you all the information you need in order for you to get started from the day you start and all the way to the end. So you do it for yourself, but you're never by yourself. We hope you make the right decision. Remember, there's never a perfect time to begin. We create the perfect time. So I hope this is the right time for you. I hope you make the right decision, and we can't wait to welcome you to our family. So go back to the person who showed you this, and we hope to see you in our community. Bye-bye.